Begin in tabletop position on hands and knees. Inhale, arch your back, lift your heart, lift your tailbone. Exhale, round your spine. Tuck your tailbone, tuck your chin. Inhale to arch your back. Exhale to round your spine. And continue at your own breath's pace. Make sure to link your movements with your breath. Eventually begin to slow down and find a neutral spine. Inhale, draw your right shoulder towards your right hip, crunching your side body. Exhale to the other side, left shoulder toward left hip. You can continue moving side to side in this way. And when you crunch one side, see if you can stretch the other side by drawing your shoulder towards your ear. This feels really good. Of course, eventually begin to slow down and we'll find your twist. Inhale, reach your right arm to the sky, reach your chest to the side. Exhale, thread the needle. Touch your shoulder and ear to the floor. Inhale, unwind, reach up again. And exhale, thread the needle once again. Let's go ahead and continue for another 4 rounds. On that last round, once you thread the needle, hold there. Slide your opposite arm forward so your hand is over your head, and stay for a few breaths. Then slide your hand in again. Press yourself back up to table. Let's do the second side. Inhale, reach your arm up. Exhale, thread the needle. 5 more rounds at your own breath's pace. On that 6th round, go ahead and thread the needle and stay. You can slide your opposite arm forward or above your head to deepen your stretch. When you're ready, slide that arm in, press back up to table. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this Pratapana practice. I'll see you in the next video.